Energy, Quivla, Giraffe Car.
I wanna be the very best that no one ever was. To catch them is my real test. To train them is my cause.
What's going on, everyone? I'm Ryan Tyburski, and welcome to this episode of TCG Library. Today we're going to be battling it out with Mama Kangaskhan in a 6-pack pack battle. We got 3 Pokemon Sun and Moon Lost Thunder and 3 Pokemon Team Up packs to battle it out with. So let's see who can get the best pulls. You guys are going to be the judge today. So make sure you let us know in the comments down below who the winner is of the best pulls. I don't know what kind of point system you guys are going to use. You guys can use whatever point system you want. And we're just going to take them all out of here. I decided to go with one of these. I don't know what she's going to bring. I'm bringing the heat with one of these. This card's not going to count, so don't count this card. Just what's inside the packs for us. But since I don't have, or I haven't picked up one of these yet, I decided to pick up one of these just for the added bonus for myself. Here's the code card. And let's get this guy out of here. Boom. I don't have my sleeves handy, so I'm going to have to sleeve everything up after the video. Yeah, nothing there. So there's that, the coin, the little Deoxys. We're not going to count that like I said, so we'll just put that off to the side. And I'm going to start off with the Sun and Moon Lost Thunder packs. So let the battle begin. And there's a code card for you guys. You guys love them code cards. And we got the Onyx, the Spinark, Papillo, Morlo, Chansey, Energy, Quivla, Giraffe, Carbink, and a Alolan Vulpix for the reverse. And we got an Entity regular rare. Code card for you. We got the Cyndaquil, the Wurmple, Papillo, Skiddo, Onyx, Energy, Gravel, Custom Catcher, Fairy Charm, Reverse Fairy Charm, and a Dolphin. Regular rare again. Not looking good too far as the pack battle goes. And the card. We have Trico, Pick-a-Peck, Morel, Wurmple, Litwick, Energy, Shuckle, Alolan Dugtrio, Professor Elm's Lecture, and a Life Forest Prism. So that's pretty cool. I think, I don't know if that's, you guys are going to give that any points. And Cofagrigus, regular rare again. And we're moving on to the Team Up packs. Hopefully Mama Kangaskhan's having better luck, because I said I was bringing the heat. I'm not really bringing any heat. So good luck to her. I don't know if I said I was going to link her pack battle, but I'm going to link that somewhere, so it'll be, whoa, it'll be up there, down there. It'll be around. And there's the code card. We already seen that. Probably not going to get nothing again. We got the Alolan Grimer, the Ponyta, Mareep, Charmander, Honedge, Energy, Golduck, Double Blade, Tentacruel, Electrode, and Alolan Executor. Regular rare again. Like I said, it's not looking too good for me. I think just the one Prism. I don't know if you guys are gonna count that one. It's kind of pushing it. And the code. We got the Alolan Geodude, the Mankey, Pancham, Ferroseed, Pidgeotto, our Energy, Double Blade, Dangerous Drill, Alolan Graveler, Reverse Metal Goggles, and a Mimikyu for the rare. And for the last pack, can we please get some last pack magic? It's a pack battle, and I'm losing. I need something to save this battle. Meowth, Alolan Geodude, Grimer, Pidgey, Bronzor, Energy, Buff Padding, Kabuto, Fairy Charm UB, Reverse Nanu, and can we do it, guys? A holographic Omnimaster. So, at least we got something. Kind of scared to show my face on this pack battle, guys. But, like I said, I don't got the sleeves with me right now. I'll sleeve up that Omnimaster and the Prism after this. But, I'll link her pack battle in the description and somewhere in the video. Make sure you guys check out hers. Let us know who won. I kind of got a feeling she's going to take this one pretty easily. You know, we didn't pull much. I think as far as any type of point system might go, these are the only two ones that we ended up pulling. But let us know in the comments below. Please subscribe. I got more coming for you guys. And we'll see you next time. Peace.